I'm Ewen Cameron, and I've brought you into the clothing store at the RAF Museum's storage facility at Stafford. Here we have over 12,000 separate items of uniform, ranging from Royal Engineers jackets of the Victorian period right up to modern day MTP combat clothing. This aisle we have items like our protective helmets. For instance, we've got the Mark IVs and Mark Xs here, and we also have the footwear. Now, do you want to see what pilots were wearing on their feet during the 1990s? There we go. These belong to Julie Gibson, and in 1991 she was the first female regular service pilot to graduate. These were worn with mess dress, and in the 1990s they were still wearing the very long blue dress that had come into service in the 1970s. And I think the kindest thing I can say about it is it looked very 1971, height of fashion then, but not so much in the 1990s. Of course, when she was flying she wasn't wearing these. She would have been wearing her 1965 pattern flying boots, which goes with the Mark 14A flying suit that you can see here. Our fundraising appeal, the Crate Escape, will help us relocate thousands of objects to the new collections hub, bringing you closer than ever to inspiring RAF stories. You can play a crucial role by sponsoring a box today, or visit the website for more information.